Hi everyone.
Это у нас Securemme.
This is Securemme lock 4+4, 8 levers,
Зауженный ключ.
narrowed key. It has concave housing,
направляющая.
guide.
Поэтому
Therefore, before using this tool,
перед работой вот этим инструментом
you need to use such a
такая
cutter.
фреза.
It is included in the kit.
Ну, на этом замке я уже срезал.
In this lock I have already cut it off, but I'll show you now.
Срезается она просто. Здесь нету ограничителей.
It cuts off simply. There is no limiter here. That is, it walks back and forth and it's easy to get to the center. You get to the center and slowly by rocking like this, up, back, forward, in different directions. You make a full turn with the cutter and that's it. After that, the key continues to work as before. That is, the fact that you cut off the guide does not affect the operation of the key. This tool is suitable not only for Securemme lock, but for almost all 4+4 that have such a black overlay. A lot of them. There is can be Cisa,
Barrera,
Turkish lock, Kale, Mul-t-lock, Chinese lock, Barrera, Fuaro, etc. The most difficult of them, I think, is this, Securemme, because in addition to the guide that needs to be cut off, all 8 levers have anti-picking and false grooves. Therefore, the tool, the pins are a little hard. They are new and a little hard because of it, and before selling the tool we loosen them a little so that they go easier. When they work easier, it is easier for them to pass false grooves, anti-picking. As soon as we start working, we twist a little, then we start harder. It can be said how it allows you to twist, so do, little by little the first time. If it gets into anti-picking, then we do a full reset and start again. Here the manipulator is not allowed now. This means that you need to play with the manipulator a little. Raise it a little. Key is mirror, has 4 turns. If the first turn was hard and long to do, then here is an option I will show now which one. Here we have made the first turn. Let us assume that we made it on this. We unscrew this hexagon. After that we make a full turn to the end, to the left. And we can pull out the cassettes. The cassettes are pulled out, change their places, and now we change position. That is, we insert it down.
То есть, помимо того, что мы меняем местами, мы меняем позицию. Вставляем их вниз. Теперь
Now, by moving the manipulator to the right,
вправо, они
they enter.
заезжают. И так мы вставляем замок и делаем следующий оборот. И если надо следующий оборот, проделываем.
And so we insert it into the lock and make the next turn. And if you need the next turn, Then we do the same
То
thing
есть
again.
вот
We
такими
change places
манипуляциями
and
можно
already
проделать
insert it
все остальные
as
обороты,
it should be. That is, with
если
such
это
manipulations,
нужно.
you can do
Если
all the
первый
other
оборот
turns,
было тяжело
if
сделать.
necessary, if the first turn was
Ну или по
hard to
старой
do.
схеме просто
Well,
делаем
or according to the
фотографию
old
и
scheme, you just
просто
take
по рисунку
photographs and
собираем.
collect all the other rotations according
Собираем
to the
все остальные
drawing.
обороты. Я просто
I just
показал
showed the possibilities of the
возможности,
tool.
какие можно проделывать с этим инструментом. Замок
The lock is really hard.
реально тяжелый.
Without the
Без наличия
presence
такого турбодекодера с ним
of
будут
such a
проблемы.
turbo decoder, there will
Потому
be
что
problems with it,
антипикинг.
as there is
В комплекте
anti-picking.
фреза,
The kit
в комплекте
includes a
есть
cutter,
запасные
spare pins,
штифты,
two
в комплекте
pushers,
идет два проталкивателя.
Kale
немножко
Turkish lock
ниже
pushes
проталкивает,
a
Securemme
little
немножко
lower,
дальше.
Securemme pushes a little
Вот,
further.
ну, вот так. Цена на него
The price
будет
of
на
this
сайте.
tool you can find
Ссылки,
on our
телефоны,
website.
все будет на видео.
Bye.